Beer Master here back with Big Joe here, and we have a 2017 Hyundai Tucson engine,
1.6 liter.
1.6. It's good for multiple years, and they have a common problem that they smoke. And Joe's going to explain what he did.
We have to put the oversized piston so they stop smoking and it stop blow by, and the engine lasts for many years if you do that.
Okay, so
and change oil of synthetic oil. Very important.
All right,
After
so
this,
why did the customer come in? He was complaining that the smoke was coming out of the engine?
Yeah, a lot of smoking.
Okay. So usually when you have a smoky engine, there's called blow by.
Blow by. That's what they have, blow by. That's why we put oversized piston. And we put the new crank, new bearing, everything new.
Okay. And what does that cost about approximately retail?
Retail, like $5,000.
$5,000?
Mm-hmm.
To repair it?
To do that job, everything new.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why are they having a problem with this engine?
Because people don't change oil.
So how many miles did this engine have on it?
This one had say like 75.
And that's it? It already started wearing
Smoking,
down, huh?
Yeah.
So if they change the oil...
On synthetic oil, it'll be fine. You can see the color when I did the block. You can see the color. See this color? And that's the one we did the new block. Oversized.
So
see the color?
Uh-huh. So you put a used block in? Or?
No. The block was...
same block?
Same block, but was more bigger piston.
Okay.
We put 20 over, so we replaced the piston. That's the standard piston. Okay, so we put 20 over, bigger piston, and he horned it.
All right, so why wouldn't somebody put a new engine in? Is it more expensive, obviously?
Brand new is about 7,000.
Okay, and how about a used one from a junkyard?
Junkyard is about like 6,000.
But the
so
problem,
yeah,
it's a problem is you'll have the same problem, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So now it's fixed.
Is this just with the turbo or
turbo engine, 1.6 turbo.
1.6 Hyundai engine?
Yeah, Hyundai engine.
All right,
sitting right there. One. We're doing another one. Show them another one. Sitting right there. We're doing another one.
We have another one right here. All right, I want to thank Big Joe from Big Joe's Auto Sales in Philadelphia.
Any question? Call us.
And please subscribe. Take care.
But David, mucho Brazil #1 mechanical. Brazil.